2 of our Kitchen and Equipment Awards week. Our first category today is Digital Initiative of the Year. This recognises those distributors which have really embraced the digital medium and are pushing technology forward.
This category's sponsor is Hoshizaki. Thank you very much for your support, Hoshizaki. So, the shortlist for this award includes Apeiron Catering, Four Oaks, Lloyd Catering Equipment, Sylvester Keel and Tag Catering Equipment. The voting here was extremely tight, but in the end, one choice proved to be irresistible. Claire, the winner.
The winner has continued to invest in industry-leading virtual reality capabilities for its kitchen design projects. So, the victor can only be Lloyd Catering Equipment.
Congratulations to Lloyd. Now stay tuned for our next category announcement, which is for the Operator of the Year Best New Concept. It's coming very shortly. Until then, see you soon.